Don't throw it. Folks, his feet are sticky, just like a tree frog's. Or maybe not. But I would be on the side where those hooks are, and you can walk up using the sideboards. Use the sideboards. Oh my goodness. He must sense an enemy ahead because he's actually exposed his most deadly weapon, his feet.
No, you're wrong. My rapier wit is my rapier.
His rapier wit is his most deadly weapon. They say the wit well never runs dry with Mark. When he goes sliding down, one of those rusty pieces of metal is going to slice him wide open. Oh, he's using the holes in the floor for handholds. Interesting. This reminds me of a rock climbing episode he had in the Gunks. It took him like an hour to cross like a crack in the rock. All right, he's almost at his objective, which is some dirt that didn't fall off the cab shield. And let's zero in on the dirt that didn't fall off the cab shield. It's right there, and he's going to put his hand up on there and probably put the dirt onto his own head. That should be the next bit of comic relief. The only thing funnier from his point of view is if the hammer slid down and hit me in the head. So close, yet so far. Oh, we got some dirt there. But we insist that Georgie's truck is going to be immaculate, and we just like doing things the hard way.
That's right.
So there's that last piece up on the cab shield. Oh, Mark is attempting to get something in the corner while hanging on for dear life. Mark, don't slide! Don't slide! You okay, buddy?
I'm good.
That was dangerous, possibly. All right, okay. All right, let's, enough of that, I think. We are probably not going to test our luck any further. So,
Yeah, we're not going to test
so you'll have...